There are things that successful traders just don't do, and neither should you, especially if being a profitable trader is your goal. And I know that being profitable is your goal. So I'm going to share with you the top 10 things that profitable traders never do, and I'm going to share the psychology and the thinking behind why they don't do them. Listen, one thing I know for sure is that trading will not only give you access and open doors to financial freedom, but trading gives you access to something that I believe is even more valuable than finances. Trading opens the door to self-awareness, and you cannot be a profitable trader without self-awareness. Listen, trading exposes how emotionally sound you are. And I was recently reminded of this in my own life because I recently ended a relationship because I became acutely aware of how I was not showing up for myself emotionally in the relationship in the same way I show up for myself as a trader. Listen, I am a disciplined trader, or at least I strive to be. And one thing trading has taught me is to be aware and to be mindful and to be self-reflective, because I believe wholeheartedly that how you do one thing is how you do everything. And so I realized while reflecting on this relationship that if I want to remain a disciplined trader, I can't afford to lack discipline in other areas of my life, because it will, without a doubt, show up in my trading. And I believe this with everything in me. Listen, I say all the time that trading is the gift that keeps on giving. And over and above the money I make as a trader, trading has made me more self-aware, more conscious and mindful. And these are invaluable traits to me. Listen, if you pay attention, trading will make you aware of your habits and your unconscious behavior. It will show you if you are greedy, impatient, passive, or fearful, or other emotions that you may not know that you are struggling to manage. And you will see these things so you can be mindful of them so you can change them. And this will not just benefit you as a trader, but it is a benefit to your overall life. So I'm going to share with you the top 10 things that profitable traders don't do, why they don't do them, and why you shouldn't either. But first, if you are new here, I'm Vanetta, and you are watching Faith, Love, and Trading, where I talk about the intersections of financial prosperity, faith, and personal growth, especially as they relate to trading. You see, trading is 10% technical, but it is 90% psychological, which means making money in the market and securing the bag are directly related to how secure you are spiritually, mentally, and emotionally. So if you are interested in growing your net worth and your self-worth in a way that also speaks to faith and spirituality, you found the right channel, because here I talk about how your psychology and your psyche and your mindset and of course your beliefs are the real secret sauce to financial freedom and personal growth. So do your girl a favor, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and let's stay connected. Now, let's jump into the top 10 things that profitable traders never do and why you shouldn't either. And the first thing that you will never see a profitable trader do is chase money or chase a trade. When a successful, profitable trader sees that a trade has already taken off, what they won't do is jump in behind it and try to catch it. They will wait on another trade, because profitable traders are okay missing out on a trade because they know that another trading opportunity is coming. But when you chase a trade, you don't believe this. You don't believe that better and more is possible. People who chase anything in life, whether it's a trade or a relationship, they operate from a scarcity mindset. And a scarcity mindset in trading and in life is a big no. Listen, my tennis coach recently said something similar to me when he was trying to help me improve my serve. Now, when I threw the ball up to serve, it didn't go straight up like it was supposed to. It kind of went to the left, and I took a few steps to try to go hit it, and he stopped me, and he said, 2 things in life that I tell women I coach never to do: chase men and chase tennis balls when they're trying to serve. And so, in tennis and in trading and in dating, chasing is something you definitely don't want to do. Now, the next thing that you will never see a profitable trader do is revenge trade. Listen, revenge trade is a real thing. And revenge trading is when you lose on a trade and then you jump right back in thinking you're going to get that money back that you lost. Profitable traders know that this is foolishness, like my grandma used to say. Profitable traders accept the outcomes even when they don't go in their favor. Listen, embracing and accepting reality is key to being profitable in trading. Trying to get revenge on a trade just keeps you stuck and focused on the past. It keeps you stuck in that moment that has already gone. And profitable trading requires that you are present and conscious and clear-minded. Listen, it is pointless to try to get money back that you lost, but you can focus your time and energy on getting new money. So you have to be able to let go of a loss, free yourself from it, and simply move on. Now, the next and third thing that a profitable trader will never do is rely on signal calls. Profitable traders don't wait for people to say, hey, here's a good trade, get in this one. Profitable traders rely on their own charting and their own analysis. They trust themselves, and without trust and confidence in yourself and your skill and your analysis, you won't be profitable. And it don't get no more plain than that. Now, the fourth thing that you will never see a profitable trader do is get in trades, even if their setup is there, without checking global news, market news, earnings, or using some other tools and resources to help you determine if the market will be impacted. Listen, global news can impact your trades, and profitable traders don't trade in a vacuum. They know it's just not all about them and their setup and their analysis. They know the world and news can impact their trades. So a profitable trader is really good at decentering themselves, checking out other market resources and tools to help them understand what's going on in the world and how it might impact their trade. Now, the fifth thing a profitable trader will never do, and this is something I struggled with early on, is moving their stop loss. Listen, profitable traders know that stop losses are meant to keep you from losing big. Now, of course, losing is a part of trading, but losing big doesn't have to be. And when you move your stop loss, what you are really saying is you don't expect to lose at all. And that's the wrong mindset to have in trading. Again, you will lose some trades, but the goal is to make sure you lose small and win big. And part of making sure you win big and have small losses is keeping your stop loss in place. Now, the sixth thing that you will never see a profitable trader do is get in a trade without knowing where they will exit. Listen, profitable traders know where they will take profits. And when they know, they get out. They don't make the greedy mistake of staying longer. Profitable traders have a goal. And when they hit the goal, they get out. And in life and in trading, this is a part of keeping the promises that you make yourself. Keep your word to yourself, because sometimes greed will creep in and it will set you up for a huge loss. So if you are good at keeping the promises and keeping your word to yourself, you actually will be very good and profitable in trading. Now, the seventh thing that you will never see a profitable trader do is trade against the overall market momentum. Listen, if it's a bull market, a profitable trader would not jump in and sell, even if that's what their strategy and their setup is saying to them. They will just not do that. Profitable traders are flexible enough to go with the flow. And if the market is flowing in a certain way, they flow with it or they just stay out altogether, even if their setup on a particular stock says to do different. Profitable traders never trade against market momentum. The eighth thing that a profitable trader never does is trade with money that they can't afford to lose. And this is self-explanatory, so I'm not going to dig real deep into this, but profitable traders take calculated risk and they are mindful not to get in over their heads. Profitable traders know that slow and steady wins the race, and being risky and being greedy is not in the DNA of a profitable trader. Now, the next thing, which is the ninth thing that you will never catch a profitable trader doing, is overtrading. Listen, profitable retail traders know that they don't have to trade every single day. It's different if you are a professional trader, and if you are a professional trader, you are likely not watching this video channel. But profitable retail traders can take a day off, or 2 days, or a week even. Listen, a very successful, profitable trading coach once told me that taking breaks and letting some trades go and not having multiple positions open at one time is a very good thing. And I wholeheartedly agree. Now, the 10th and final thing that a profitable trader never does is trade from a position of FOMO, fear of missing out, or foggy, fear of getting in. Both of these mentalities are unprofitable. If you have fear one way or another, it will impact whether or not you are able to be profitable. To get over fear, you have to start doing things afraid. You have to trust your setup, trust your charting, trust your analysis, trust your plan, and jump. Listen, fear is an emotion that you must conquer if you want to have longevity in the trading game. Now, if you employ these 10 don't you dare tips, you will be profitable without a question, without a doubt. So try a few of them or try them all. I believe they will make you more profitable in trading. Now, I hope this video was helpful, so let me know in the comments if it was. More specifically, let me know if any particular don't you dare tip was more helpful. I want to hear all about it, so leave me a comment below. Now, do me one last favor. Share this video and this channel with someone who might need this kind of support. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Faith, Love, and Trading.